In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in PDF documents using the Microsoft Edge browser. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you often work with PDFs and need to mark up documents for study or review. So let's dive in and make sure you know how to do this with ease. First, start by locating the PDF file that you need to highlight on your computer. Once you've found the file, you're going to right click on it. This will open a context menu that provides a variety of options to choose from. What you want to do next is select the option that says Open With. Once you've done that, you'll see a list of programs that can open your PDF. From this list, you want to select Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is not just a web browser, it also includes a very capable PDF viewer. By opening your document in Edge, you'll leverage its tools to interact with your PDF easily. Your file will open in a new tab displaying the contents of your document. Now, to highlight some text in your PDF, simply click and drag your mouse over the section of text that you want to draw attention to. This will select the text you want to highlight. Once your text is selected, right click on it. This will bring up another menu with several options. From this menu, look for the option that allows you to highlight text. Here you will have a choice of different colors to use for your highlights. You can choose a color that best suits your preference or the needs of your project. Once you've selected the color, click on it. This action will apply the highlight to the text you've selected. Your highlighted text will now appear clearly with the color you've chosen. It's a straightforward process that lets you effectively emphasize important parts of your document. This feature is particularly useful for studying, creating notes, or when you need to review documents more in depth. Remember, highlighting text in PDF files using Microsoft Edge is a great way to save time and enhance how you interact with digital documents. Whether you're preparing for a presentation, studying for exams, or just trying to organize your thoughts, this method is incredibly efficient and user-friendly. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you can now confidently highlight text in your PDF files using Microsoft Edge. Thank you for watching, and make sure to tune in for more helpful tips and tricks. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you next time.